Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the process of registering for a First Tech Federal Credit Union account. Follow these simple steps to get started on your financial journey with ease. Step 1. Visit the official website. Begin by navigating to the official First Tech Federal Credit Union website. Make sure you are on the correct site to ensure your personal information is secure. Step 2. Find the Join Us section. On the home page, look for the Join Us or Become a Member option. This section will provide you with the necessary information on account registration. Step 3. Review membership eligibility. Read through the membership eligibility requirements. First Tech Federal Credit Union primarily serves individuals associated with technology companies, but membership may also be available through family or household connections. Step 4. Gather required information. Before proceeding, gather all necessary information, including your personal details, name, address, date of birth, social security number, and contact information. You may also need to provide identification and proof of eligibility. Step 5. Complete the online application. Click on the link to start your online application. Fill out all required fields accurately. Double-check your entries to avoid any delays in processing your application. Step 6. Select your account. Choose the type of account you want to open, such as a savings account, checking account, or other financial products. Review the features and benefits of each account type before making your decision. Step 7. Make an initial deposit. Once you've selected your account type, you might need to make an initial deposit. This can typically be done through a bank transfer, debit card, or other payment methods recommended by First Tech. Step 8. Review terms and conditions. Carefully read through the terms and conditions associated with the account. Make sure you understand the fees, withdrawal limits, and any other important information before you finish your application. Step 9. Submit your application. After ensuring all information is correct, submit your application. You should receive a confirmation notification via email once your application is processed. Step 10. Set up online banking. Once your account is approved, visit the First Tech website to set up online banking, create your login credentials, and explore the online account management features available to you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful guides and tips.